People been asking me about the Nike clearance store. Let's go look around. 30 minutes after opening today. Gonna start in the bigger women's sizes. Well, I haven't been finding anything lately. I don't know if y'all been beating me to it or what. See, this is the stuff I'm looking for right here. God dang it. Not my size though. Mother f***ing dude. God damn it. So want these in my size. And look at the price. Look at the price. $40. $40 for Invincible Run. Flying at 3s. These are a size 11. 9.5 men's. I've tried a size 10 men's. And they did not fit. The 9.5. Slightly small. So like now a size 10 would fit. Like what the hell, dude? What the hell? I swear I've tried on a size 10 men's and they did not fit. Now 9.5 barely small. Kind of showing that 10 might fit. What the hell? These, I would say I would grab them in any size. Just use them as some running shoes. I need to get back into running. I've been playing other stuff like basketball stuff, but I need to get back into running. Look at that. They've been here for a while too. Damn, dude. I'm gonna hold on to those. What are these? Flyknit Ventures. Look at that crazy midsole. It does have the Flyknit on top. $80 for these. These are 10 women's. These are a size 11 women's. Mids right here going for $50. Look at this Pegasus Trail 5s. This is React X. Okay. $35 for these. Zagama Trails right here. This has Zoom X on it. A little better than React X. These go for $80. Wondered about this for my kid or man, one of his cousins or something, but damn, dude, look at that. Only freaking $40, but no returns here. That's the big thing. No returns. Got some more mids right here going for $50. Dunk Twist right here going for $50 as well. These are size 11. What are these? Jordan 1 lows. The baseball stitching go for $70. $40 for the Flyknit Ventures right here. Huge midsole on that thing. What's up with these Jordan 1 highs? $80. Air Force Ones going for $50. Sabrina's right here going for $60. This is size 14 women's. 30 minutes after opening, probably one of the worst times to come, to be really honest. God dang it. Gotta be here super early. I really like this hoodie right here. Medium weight, $40 for this one. Might be lightweight. I like the material though. Running pullover going for $30. What is this? Oh, it's a La Familia 2023 collection, $30. This hoodie right here feels better than Tech Fleece, or just as good at least. But yeah, that's going for $50 normally, $105. Found some Tech Fleece right here, $50, $135 normally. That one's a pullover. This one is a sweatshirt. I don't know what the price is though. There's obviously nothing here. Is retail $40 for this. Is this fleece? I don't know. Fleece, sheep looking jacket right here. $40 normally, $110. This got that extra soft fleece inside. Lightweight though. Lightweight, $40. Pretty dope. Seeing if any of these Tech Fleece are being given away, because once in a while certain colorways hella cheap. Nah, not these. $50. These are medium. Pullover going for $40. Same red jacket, $50. Is that a Pata collab? $110 down to $40. Okay, FC Barcelona. Wow. ESG right here. This is a double XL going for $30. Extra small fleece jacket, $60. This is where I got my green glow Tech Fleece jacket for $20. I finally got the Jordan ones to match with that. Appreciate you, Obed. Definitely appreciate you, brother. But yeah, $60 for this one. This is super clean pullover right here. Damn, dude, nothing crazy cheap other than the Infinity Run Flyknit 3s that I'm currently pondering. $60 for this Jumpman jacket. All right, let's go to the 10.5 men's, where I see the same Invincible runs for $100. And this is the This is the more expensive colorway though. This is the new Safari colorway right here. Don't see any of the regular colorways. These Infinity Run 4s go for 80. I guess they don't consider these a premium product anymore. They were just a month ago. Just a month or so ago. Now they're being priced the same as the regular Infinity Runs and the Invincible Runs. Compare these prices to... Let's compare these prices to the regular factory stores. 70 for these Air Max ones right here. 70 for these as well. I think like the regular stores have been a little bit cheaper, especially with that 40% off the back wall. Jordan 1 Hot OGs. I just saw these at Watts for $60 or something like that. Yeah, it was 100. Then you get another 40% off right here. It's going for $100. 11 Low IE still go for $150. That is outrageous. Wow. Trainer ones right here go for $60. Finally dropped the price on these Air Max 1 OG with the camo one. It's just $80 for them. Size 10, these are going for $80. $50 for these right here. This is a hell of a great price. Look at this. Air Max Plus going for $50. Wow. Wow. And they overcharge you for these mids right here. $110 for those. And then we see really good prices on these. Look at this, $60. So very up and down here. Very, very up and down. More Jordan 1 Hot OGs, yellow ochre. And what these go for? $80 for these. Team ones down here go for $70. DNs, I think we're gonna see a bunch of these Air Max DNs here at the outlets as well as the clearance stores. $130 for these. 312s right here. $70. I feel like these have been lower at the Foot Locker outlet. These still way overpriced. Man, the GT Jump 2s, I do have a pair of these. Recently got them. $160 for these. Wow. Grabbed up my reefer for way cheaper. LeBron 4s right here. $100 for the graffitis. That's definitely a solid price because these retail for what? $240. I mean, $240. Wow. Wow, that's what's up. Golf Volts right here go for $80. Got these other golfs right here go for $150. By $150 I mean $80. It looks like they didn't price that one correctly. That was the 10 and the 10.5s. Moral of the story, way up and down here, way up and down. Certain shoes really, really, really cheap. Certain ones way overpriced. One of the homies found these right here. Look at this. Brand new tech fleece right here. Has all the reflective stuff. So you know it's built for performance. That running and stuff. Look at this. $50. $50. I haven't even seen this at the retail shops because this is one of the newer ones. And damn, dude, I can't believe they got these. Have a few different people, a few different kids that can get these or that can wear these, but would they like the color? That's the question. $40, no returns. That's the thing that's kind of scaring me. I don't think I checked the tech fleece on the wall, so I do got a little bit of tech fleece on the wall. I think we saw these in the aisles. These are still going for $50. There's multicolor one, all kinds of different colors, $50. Volt colorway right here, $80. I saw that red tag. I was like, is that going for hella cheap? Nah. This one right here going for $50. Double XL in the front. They got smaller sizes in the back too. Jacket right here going for $60. This one going for $60 as well. $60 for the pants in multiple colorways right here. Another hoodie right here go for $60. And these look oversized as hell, dude. I think this is the newer one that's unisex now. I don't think people are digging those as much. $650 for those. Saw these earlier as well as these go for $50. Not really seeing the deals I was hoping to see. $60 for those as well. Size 11 GT Jump 2 still $80. I feel like we've been seeing these for hella cheap, even at the retail store. $70 here. Witness 7's going for $50. Did I say size 11? Size 11's going for $70. 11 LeBron 20s. These GT Jumps still going for way too much. Yeah, $160. Size 12, got these. These are down to $60. Is that the same price as Ross? I think that's the same one that we saw at Ross. Jordan 6 box, holding a Jordan 1, going for 60. Got some cleats in a size 12 if you need some budget cleats. It says $10. $10 cleats? These are Zoom Trouts, going for 10 bucks. Update on the Tatum prices right here, still $60. Jordan 1 low golf, go for 110. Metcon 8s right here, unknown price. Zoom Freak 5s, these have been marked down to $40 in August. They need to be marked down more apparently. All kinds of colorways going for way cheap. In the size 13 section, but do got some extended size pricing on the size 15s though. Size 15, size 15 of these Metcon 9s. Is it all size 15 in the back over here? It's supposed to be size 13s. Yeah, Jordan 2, go for 70. Oh, they changed the back. That was always size 13 to 15, and now 13 over here, then 15 over here. Even the size 14, not extended size price, only size 15s it looks like. $80. 70 for these, because these have been here forever. These are golf. 110.2 for the mids. Did I say 110? 110 for Jordan 1 mids. Jumpman Pro Quicks right here go for 70. These are all 13s now. Comforts, these have been hella cheap at some spots. 100 bucks here. Jordan 1 low OGs, $60. These extended size priced. Infinity Run or Invincible Run 3s right here go for 100. Damn, that's like more expensive than the smaller size. Smaller sizes, these were going for 80. What the hell? Is it just that one right there? Or? Oh, okay, it's just that colorway. These are going for 80. Bikinis, these are $70. Are you serious? Well, there's these 312s right here. All right, I sent out a couple of text messages to people and they did not get back to me, so I'm gonna put these back on shelf. My kid, I don't think my kid's gonna want to wear those. He wears a size 9, 9.5. Yeah, none in a size 12, just a size 11. God dang it. What's up with these Vapor Max still in the women's right here? 100 bucks still? God dang it. Dang it. 60 for these dunks. These are size 10 women's. Dang it. All right, I do have to go to work. I don't know, maybe I'll be back or maybe I'll hit up some more spots later. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. These stores have been crazy lately. All right, and we've been seeing a lot of these starter bootleg looking jerseys. These are 25. Yeah, all kinds of these type of jerseys. This hockey one's going for 20. Seeing a bunch of Lakers ones now. Starting to see some Bulls for 40. And we saw Raiders before as well. These are going for 40 as well. Cowboys, this is a U game one. The other ones were all starters. We're seeing them in different sizes, short sleeve, long sleeve section. We're seeing them everywhere. See Niners gear right here, $17. $17, that is a medium. None in the small, unfortunately. What is this, long sleeve t-shirt, long sleeve shirt? It is a Nike going for 13 bucks. G3 brand Lakers pullover, it looks like. Kind of like a hoodie, but not fleece. I don't see. Oh, here's this. $40 for that thing. All right, we're moving over to the sneakers, where it's been very interesting. We're checking the store at 8:15 a.m. and plenty of interesting stuff. $40 for Ultra Boost. Seeing multiple Ultra Boosts. These are Ultra Boost lights, which I don't think I'm as big of a fan of as the regular Ultra Boost. These are $40 and 7.5 for women's. That one of the sizes I'm looking for. We got Donovan Mitchell's right here. These are what, the 5s? The issue 5s? Yeah. $30. This is size 6 men's. BY Dubs right here. I don't know what these are going for though. 35 for these. I've seen a ton of these Reeboks, classic leathers. These are going for 30, size 8. Crazy ones, aka Kobe's. These are going for 35. 4D. Not the full length 4D, but some 4D. Yeah, I don't know what the price for these are. New Balance slides right here, $17, size 10s. More of these Ultra Boosts. This is a bigger one. Size 9.5, going for 40. Ultra Boost Golf. Did I see these last week? These are size 11.5, 35 for these. Zoom Freaks right here, size 11, 45. What line of shoes are these? I don't know. There's some golf shoes. Don't know which line. Tiger Woods has his own line of shoe now. Isn't that crazy? Just released his line. These bad boys going for 35. These look like some two-ways right here. New Balance two-ways going for $60. You got New Balance priced higher than Ultra Boost. That is definitely interesting. Size 12. Zoom Freaks right here going for 50. Damn, I was hoping to find a size 12. Not today, or not at this trip. 37 for these size 13s. 45 for the 4Ds. Specials right here. I do like these. These are pretty clean. $40 for these. I think these are size 12. Ultra Boost size 13s go for 40. 8 a.m. trip here. Not as crazy. Got some U Game Laker hats go for $13. Not really seeing too much. Not seeing too much. Got Mitchell & Ness snapbacks right here. $15 for these. Got some Team Apparel right here. Go for 10. Moving over to the women's, where they got Pro Kids go for $8. $8 Pro Kids. That is hilarious. Got 4Ds right here. These are size 10. Oh, these are men's. Size 10 men's, $40. Some Superstars go for $35. Size 8 women's. More of these Especials. Is this men's or women's? I think this is a men's. This is a men's. Going for 40. Chuck All-Stars right here. These are Chuck 70. $35 for these. NMDs. What size are these? These are 6.5. 6.5, I think. Ooh, these might work. 6.5 men's or juniors? No, these are 6.5 women's. 6.5 women's, so that's a 5.5. Grade school? God dang it. This is a little bigger. I would grab it. Vapor Max right here. Vapor Max, I think these have been 60, I want to say. Yeah, $59.99. These are what, a size 7 women's. Ooh, multiple Vapor Max here. Wow. This is a smaller one, size 6. Going for 60. Got some Chucks. Or some Converse right here. These are $30. Crazy that they actually have stuff for me to show you. The women's section's been so worthless at Burlington and Ross lately. $35 for these Chucks right here. They got a couple of them.